Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and today let's talk about what's on my sewing table. Actually, nothing right now. Let's get started. So first of all, let me welcome you back to the channel. If you are returning, if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Denise, and I have this channel at Sewlimitless. So it's still hot here. I am still preparing summer clothing. I'm still in summer mode. I did for July, I did quite a few, I think, summer dresses. And so now I want to do some other things. I feel like doing shorts. If you follow me over on Instagram, I posted about how I'd gone through and cut out this whole, all the pattern pieces to make one of these dresses. I've got my fabric here, but I don't feel like making that now. So we're going to go on and do something else. Currently, like I said, I do want to do some shorts, and I found this. It's 1.5 yards of a stretch cotton twill. It's a navy blue, and I've already pre-washed it. And so I am hoping, I think I should have enough to do a pair of shorts. I have this pattern here. It's a BurdaStyle 6812 that I've used before. I've made these shorts here before, but what I did is these the pattern has pleats in the front. Prefer a flat front, so I'd actually changed the pattern, took the pleats and basically incorporated it into the pattern piece itself. So it didn't really change the size, it just changed the style from being pleated to flat front. And I think that is what I'm going to do with this fabric. Hopefully I should have enough here. Yeah, it says 1 3/8. So hopefully that should give me, I should be able to do that. And I probably need to do a few alterations to the pattern itself because it's been a few years since I've made these. But this has been one of my favorite patterns for shorts. So that one is probably what's going to be up next. We will see what I actually end up with. But that is what's going on with me right now. I think I'm going to, after I do this and maybe a couple other summer projects, like I said, it's still hot and it will be hot here for a while. So I will then start to figure out what I want to do for coming fall season. I don't know if you all plan your projects. I think about it more and more now. I look at what I have, I look at the fabrics that I have, and what I can make that will coordinate with stuff that I already have. So I can always do sweaters and turtlenecks and that kind of thing. I'd make those. And uh, fall and winter is actually when I will make more jeans, things like that, because that's when I wear them. I don't wear jeans really in the summer very much because it's just too hot and too humid here. So it can just be uncomfortable until it starts to cool off a little bit. So that's what I'm looking at. But that's all that's on my sewing table, at least for now. And I will keep you all up to date if anything changes. But I thank you all for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.